What is the best fruits to eat in the morning? Empty stomach. I'm gonna search. What is the best fruits? What is the best fruits to eat in the morning? In the morning with in the morning with empty stomach. Good fruits to eat on empty stomach include watermelon. Okay, it's an information for you to know. Okay, to be more healthy. Good fruits to eat on an empty stomach. We have include watermelon, papaya, berries, apple, bananas. These fruits are generally easy to digest, higher in fiber, and provide quick source of energy while helping with hydration and digestion. It's also beneficial to pair fruits like bananas with other foods like